Hi, my name is Daniel and I'm a human biology student here at the University of California, Santa Cruz and a student worker here at the Student Health Center. Today we will be discussing the steps for waiving UC SHIP.
Hi, I'm Diane Lamott. I'm a pharmacist and I'm a manager here at the University of California, Santa Cruz Student Health Services. As a reminder, if you do not want UC SHIP, then you will waive. If you're going to be accepting UC SHIP, you do not have to go any further.
So Diane, I want to use my own insurance. So I have to waive UC SHIP. What does that mean?
Thanks for asking, Daniel. The UC regents require that every UC student have health insurance. And if you don't want the health insurance, that means that you have to opt out or waive UC SHIP. To do this, you have to go online and complete a waiver, and that means I don't want UC SHIP. I'm canceling my UC SHIP.
Can I use any private insurance plan?
No, not exactly. Most will work. However, you have to meet a number of requirements. And so the UC regents require that you have unrestricted access to primary care, that you have access to behavioral health care, that you have access to a hospital and not just for emergency care. And your primary care provider needs to be switched or changed to someone here in the Santa Cruz County area. The definition of that is 30-mile radius from UC Santa Cruz or your local residence. The insurance that you have cannot be a reimbursement-based plan, and you have to meet some dollar limits. Your out-of-pocket maximum can't be higher than the requirement. So you'll have to check your insurance for that. Additionally, international students have even more requirements to meet. Please check our website on those requirements.
What else should I consider before waiving? And is it possible for me to keep my private plan and have UC SHIP?
You can keep your own plan and you can have UC SHIP. Many people do that, especially when they have some ongoing conditions that they may need care for from their providers back home. That's called dual coverage. It's important to know that UC SHIP is usually secondary. So that means your private health insurance back home would be the insurance that's used first. But there are other considerations. Santa Cruz County is small. You have to make sure that your insurance works in this area, that you can get a primary care provider that's really accepting new patients here. We are the city on a hill, and you have to go miles off campus to be able to see your primary care provider. And then there are insurances that just don't work in Santa Cruz County, especially HMOs and often Medi-Cal. So you can sometimes change your Medi-Cal provider to Santa Cruz, but most people take UC SHIP instead of their Medi-Cal from back home.
Where do I find all the information I need to waive UC SHIP online?
So you'll need to go to our website, and first you should look at the waiver worksheet. You'll have to collect information from your insurance. So you will need your insurance card, and you'll need to upload it. And you might need extra information that might be in your benefits booklet, or you might actually have to call Human Resources and your insurance company to find out some of the answers for the waiver worksheet. At that point, you will actually go online to the waiver website. The waiver website is managed by our partner, Academic Health Plans, or AHP. You'll submit all of the information on the waiver online, and then you'll have an opportunity to choose cruise care. It will ask you, do you want cruise care? And you'll have to say yes or no. After that, you'll submit the waiver. AHP will send you an email saying that they've received the waiver. AHP will then audit it to make sure that your insurance meets all the UC requirements. And if successful, AHP will send you an email saying that your waiver was accepted. If it wasn't successful, AHP will send you an email and inform you on what needs to be corrected. You can go online, make those corrections, and then AHP will send you an email saying that your waiver was accepted.
Once I'm ready to waive, how do I get started?
So once you have collected all of that information from your insurance plan, you submit the answers on the waiver website and you'll have everything complete. If you don't submit that, then you will automatically stay enrolled in UC SHIP and you'll be charged for it.
What is the deadline for waiving UC SHIP and what happens if I miss it?
You have to waive UC SHIP every year. You're enrolled every year, and you have to waive by September 15th. If you do not waive by September 15th, you'll be enrolled in and charged for UC SHIP.
Thank you for your help, Diane. If you have any further questions, please check the Student Health Center website.